Center, located at Mapandan Town Center, Mapandan, Pangasinan. For reliable and top-notch healthcare services, you deserve the best care. WellCare Diagnostics Center.
Celebration! Staycation with family or an intimate moment with your special one. Merong perfect na venue yan sa Mapandan. Cora's Manor and Garden. Magmalamay-ari ng mansyon at this magnificent enclave place here at Cora's Manor and Garden. Carry out any occasion sa kanilang garden cafe or party at their poolside. Have a sing-along at their music room. Relax at their room accommodation or enjoy a private time with someone. Sa kanilang Cabana A, kung saan may private outdoor jacuzzi kayo in an enclosed place. Enjoy great food, warmly welcoming staff, exceptional accommodations, and relaxing scenery. At Cora's Manor and Garden, whatever it is, Cora's Manor and Garden is the perfect place to be. Visit them at Barangay Pias, Mapandan, Pangasinan, or call them at 0945-800-7074. Experience a special moment, how it should be at Cora's Manor and Garden.
Gusto mo bang maging healthy ka paborito at malayo sa iba't ibang sakit habang ikaw ay nagkakaedad? Eto na ang Elixir Placenta 3-in-1 Stem Cell Therapy, DNA at Anti-Inflammatory Therapy Food Supplements. Panlaban sa iba't ibang sakit tulad ng hypertension, diabetes, cancer, sakit sa bato at iba pa. Hindi mo na kailangan gumastos ng malaki para magpa-stem cell. DFA approved. For more information and orders, you may contact Miss Lori 0916-229-4977 or 0917-474-4515. Elixir Placenta 3-in-1 Therapy. Are you looking for construction services? Art Construction Services is the name of the game. They do civil works and engineering, structural waterproofing, swimming pools, road constructions, condominiums, big warehouses, at marami pang iba. Art Construction Services, pulido ang trabaho at tapat sa serbisyo. Main office, Saging Dinalupihan, Bataan, at may satellite office sa may Bunuan Gasset, Dagupan City. You may contact Miss Tyra Sweet at 0962-806-7360. Art Construction Services. This is DWJE 88.1 FM Radio Pangasinan, whose sole mission is to inform, to educate, to entertain, delivering to all Pangasinenses news that is true, public service that is sincere, commentary that is fair, and entertainment that is proudly Pangasinense. This is your DWJE 88.1 FM Radio Pangasinan, going beyond just being number one, working towards total domination.
Jad Dagupan, walay saksakay ya radio station ya iyayag nasaray Dagupenyo. Jad Bunuan Binlog,
Paborito.
Bunuan Bukig,
Paborito.
Bunuan Geset,
Paborito.
Kalmay,
Paborito.
Karae,
Paborito.
Tanjad Karanglaan,
Paborito.
Aya, so
88.1 Radyo Pangasinan. This is Pangasinan Gulf Waves Network Corporation in Dagupan City. DWJE 88.1 FM Radyo Pangasinan. Ang susunod na programa ay rated GP.
GP? Ano yun?
Garantisadong pampaborito! Sa programa mangiter nadalan at saray ay sa kialinawa tan opinyon unong liknaan na saray umbali at saray issue yung makakaapekto at bilay kawayangan tan kanupugan na balang sinansakay Liknaay Baley kaulok tan kaantabay susaray manangilaban at kanupugan tan kawayangan at saray umbali kapaborito RJ Jimenez tan kapaborito Joseph Kanilang Bakani Liknaay Baley naringalan Lunes hanggang Biyernes alas 8 hanggang alas 9 nakabuasan at DWJE 88.1 FM, Radyo Pangasinan, Liknaay Baley.
Good morning! Naimbanggal daw bigat kada kayo amin, Apo. Ating Yakapasan, Pangasinan, Dagupan. Wadyat ilalabas ka mga iparintaan na sari balita, isyo dan komentaryo ni Pagkar at sari matuan. Liknaay Baley! Siyempre nakalog na nakanta may lalangula. And Sayan Agaw na Huwebes at ating tanagagik pet sa 16 sa isla at bulan na Oktubre at taon 2025. Sari magtariyuran kapabrito magtarilingkor. Kapabrito RJ Jimenez always at your service. Tansay magtarilingkor kapabrito Joseph Kanilang Bakani. At siyempre kalotan kantabay timat. Lawas at technical side. Ang kapayorom say alunlunag saksakay at puso ng Madam Charis. Engineer Nixon Dakal. Gusto nila akong tanggalin, kaya dinadawit sa flood control projects. Si Katuya at atong tanagagik so oy natan. Anan Presidente BBM Bongbong Marcos. Pero antes tayon laan, si Presidente Bongbong Marcos, laan ni partner ko.
Good morning.
Mga tanulugay si kayo namin. Kumusta yung kabwasan mo, kapaborito RJ?
Okay na okay. Wala nang tubig.
Okay. Wala nang tubig, Talagang imakatla.
Katla, non-subside la.
Non-subside la. Atan labat high tide. Umpaway so danom. Umpaway so danom.
LPA, ang kapula.
Singa saya so anong nung ko, mga kapaborito, antis tayo lang si PBBM. Walay anong nang could post that social media kapaborito RJ. Ya kalamor sa kwanto jay ng classmate ko tan retired Police General Haris Fama. Sa kwanto di man ako taga Barangay Kalmay pero may mga kaibigan ako sa barangay. Ito po ang kalagayan uli ngayon ng Kalmay Road, Barangay Kalmay, Dagupan City. Walang ulan kwanto pero may river flooding sa naturang paano turang may kabkaabungan yang gadnatan kalamor problema datan